Hi, thanks for downloading our video presentation in relation to documenting your property settlement. The question we are most often asked is, do we have to document our property settlement agreement? And the answer is quite simply, yes. And there's always more than one issue that needs to be resolved, including those on the screen at the moment. Property settlement consent order or financial agreement is the only legal way to ensure that either of you don't come back for more later. We usually advise our clients not to commence a divorce process until after the property matters have been finalised. This is because there are time limits which apply and can have adverse consequences if those time limits aren't kept. As you just read, there are only two document sources available, and that is a consent order or a financial agreement. And this is what we can help you decide which is the best one for you. Ultimately, what we have to consider for you is whether or not your proposed agreement fits into what the Family Law Act describes as a just and equitable outcome . Choosing the right document is important for a number of reasons. Have a look at a quick comparison between consent orders and financial agreements. Of course, consent orders are issued by the family court and can be enforced by application to the court if need be, but they can't deal with spouse maintenance on a final basis. So once the documents are filed with the family court, it's up to the court to determine when they're dealt with and issued. And of course, there are stamp duty exemptions, and the other consideration is that your agreement must be fair in the eyes of the Family Law Act. You don't both have to have a lawyer act for you. Financial agreements are different. They're private agreements and they're not filed in court, but they can be enforced in the family court. Generally more expensive because you both need to have a lawyer, and one of the benefits is as soon as it's signed, it's effective and the agreement can be put into action. Stamp duty concessions are also available, but one thing is it doesn't have to be fair, it doesn't have to be just and equitable, and it can deal with spouse maintenance issues. So you can see there are important considerations when finalising your property settlement matter. Thanks for listening. So come and see us and get the right advice. We look forward to helping you.